house from a distance was a difficulty.
Yeah.
So it was our priority to select an interior designer who would take the total responsibility
Absolutely.
and do it in a very trustworthy way.
Okay.
And we are very happy. I am telling this on camera and off camera that you have done a splendid job. Which corner of the house you like the best? Which place?
My room.
Your room. তো তোমার ঘরে তোমার বেডরুমের মধ্যে কি কি ভালো লেগেছে?
Bed. Balcony.
ओके.
Cupboard.
कपबोर्ड आल्सो ना? ओके तो
and
जैसे आपने
study
देखा
table.
ओके स्टडी टेबल
And
आल्सो
with butterfly.
ऑल थिंग्स ओके कि हमारा जो टीम वर्क है तो आप 5 में कितना मार्क्स हम लोग कितना पॉइंट आप हमें फीडबैक में देना चाहेंगे?
मैं 5 out of 5 आशीष को देना चाहूँगा. It was our responsibility to install the geyser, to
Yes.
install the AC, but I just requested him, and without
Any
a
hassle.
second thought,
Yeah.
he said that yes, I would do it for you. So this is the man. This is
Thank you,
Ashish
thank
ji.
you, thank
Go
you,
for
thank you,
him
ma'am. Thank you,
without
sir.
any kind of hesitation.
हेलो गाइस, कैसे आप लोग? उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग अच्छे होंगे. तो अभी मैं आप लोग को लेके आया हूँ हमारा जो हैप्पी विला में जो टावर है फन, वहाँ पे हमारा ये 2 BHK का एक इंटीरियर का काम हुआ है जिसका मैं टूर आज आपको देने वाला हूँ. और टूर जो देने वाले हैं वो आपके लिए सरप्राइज है. तो आप आइए, मैं आपको ले चलता हूँ हमारा जो फ्लैट है. तो अभी डोर बंद है तो पहले यहाँ पे सूप खोल लेते हैं और यहाँ से हम लोग बेल को. नमस्कार मैम.
Namaskar Ashish ji, welcome to our home.
থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ. তো ম্যাম আমরা আজকে এসেছি আপনার সুন্দর বাড়িকে মানে আমরা ট্যুর করতে এসেছি. তো আপনি একটা কাজ করুন, আজকে আপনি আপনার বাড়িতে সুন্দরভাবে আমাদেরকে ট্যুর দিন, আমাদের ভিউয়ার্সকে দিন. ঠিক আছে, আমি এটাই আপনার কাছ থেকে রিকোয়েস্ট করছি. तो आज जो है मैम के पास से मैं इनके फ्लैट का टूर लेने वाला हूँ और टूर देने वाली है मैम. आज अपना पूरा फ्लैट को दिखाने वाली है, सुंदर सा फ्लैट. तो मैम आप कंटिन्यू कीजिए, मैं आपको वीडियो के लास्ट में मिलता हूँ.
Thank you, Ashish ji. Hello, viewers. This is our second home actually. We live in Baharampur. We are lecturers in colleges in Baharampur. We work there. We have our family over there. But we needed a second home in Kolkata, so we selected a flat in Siddha Happy Villa. This is a 2 BHK flat. We contacted Ashish ji after seeing videos over YouTube, and we were very much impressed by him. Now he has designed it beautifully, and we are so much impressed by whatever technical ideas he gave us, and we are really impressed. Let me share my home with you. Everything we did in a very detailed way. This is our dream home, and this was done by a particular artisan in Krishnanagar. So as you can see, Gangulis, Satyabrata, Srividya and Koel, this is us, my dear family, my little daughter and my husband. So here Ashish ji suggested us to do a shoe rack, and that's true. We should keep our shoes after coming inside. We did this, and here we just kept some little decorative pieces. Now we have done this according to the suggestion of our dear interior designer Ashish ji, and my husband is also very much suggestive about all this. So here there is a beautiful vase and flowers and decorative tables over here. A very important suggestion that Ashish ji gave us is that here there is the opening door and then there is a sofa. So there should be a partition over here because some outsider comes and sees us just sitting like that. So it is a kind of embarrassing for the people of the house. So there should be some partition over here, and but instead of giving a partition as it is seen in most of the flats, we have used a particular profile mirror over here, which is different, which is unique. When we come inside, we look at ourselves and there is a positive feeling, positive vibe. And this is also done according to the Vastu because the entrance should be beautiful. And then a crockery unit over here. There is beautiful crockery unit. We have kept our dinner sets and the crockery over here, which is appearing through the glass, and it can be seen through it. So we are happy about the outcome. The drawers are there. We can keep various utility things. And then this is our beautiful living and dining room as it is done by Interior Jagat Ashish ji. So this is our beautiful cozy place where we can unwind and distress ourselves after our busy schedules in the city. So for the color we selected soft tones and soft hues. আমরা খুব হালকা রং পছন্দ করেছিলাম কারণ আমাদের জায়গাটা খুব বড় নয়, সেই কারণে আমরা একটু লাইট কালার, সোবার কালার্স আমরা সবসময় সিলেক্ট করেছিলাম এবং আশিসজি সবসময় আমাদেরকে অ্যালাউ করেছেন আমাদের চয়েসটা মেনটেন যাতে আমরা করতে পারি, আমরা নিজেরা সিলেক্ট করেছি। অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমরা এত ডিস্টেন্সে থাকি বহরমপুরে যে সবসময় আসা সম্ভব হয়নি, কিন্তু অ্যাকচুয়ালি উই হ্যাড আ হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপ in which he was there along with my husband and myself, এবং আমরা ওখানে সমস্ত ডিটেল শেয়ার করতাম about the decor of the flat। প্রত্যেকটা জিনিস আমরা তিনজনে ডিসকাস করে তবে ফাইনালাইজ করেছি। This is the very small 4-seater dining room, dining table as you can see। এটা প্রথমে কথা ছিল যে ডাইনিং টেবিলটা রাখা ঠিক হবে কি না, কারণ জায়গাটা ছোট হয়ে যাবে, কিন্তু আমাদের এটা একটা ভাবনা ছিল যে আমাদের ডাইনিং টেবিলটা লাগবেই, কারণ উই আর ইউজ টু ফিল কমফর্টেবল while হ্যাভিং লাঞ্চ অর ডিনার। তো সবসময় হাতে নিয়ে খাওয়া আনকমফর্টেবল। তো আশিসজি খুব পারফেক্টলি এই জায়গাটাকে ডিজাইন করেছেন এবং ছোট করে এই ডাইনিং টেবিলটা উইথ 4 চেয়ার্স কালার কোঅর্ডিনেশন করে এত সুন্দর করে অর্গানাইজ করে দিয়েছেন। উই আর গ্রেটফুল টু হিম। মুভিং অন টু দ্য সিটিং এরিয়া, আমরা চেয়েছিলাম, আমি এবং আমার হাজব্যান্ড আমরা চেয়েছিলাম যে আমাদের এই জায়গাটা এত লাইট শেডসে হচ্ছে, তো এখানে একটা যেন কালার পপ আউট করে। তো ব্লু ইজ দ্য নিউ কুল, ব্লু ইজ দ্য নিউ নর্মাল। তো ব্লু এর প্রতি আমাদের একটা অবসেশন রয়েছে, সেই জন্য আমরা এই সোফার কালারটা সিলেক্ট করেছিলাম। তো we just remember the days when we came here almost every weekend to select this and that, এবং সোফার ফ্যাব্রিক থেকে আরম্ভ করে, কালার থেকে আরম্ভ করে, টেক্সচার থেকে আরম্ভ করে সব কিছু আশিসজি খুব সুন্দরভাবে আমাদেরকে প্রোভাইড করেছেন। আমরা খুবই ইমপ্রেসড এবং খুবই ডিলাইটেড যে আলটিমেটলি ইট টার্নড আউট টু বি সাচ আ বিউটিফুল লিভিং রুম। এবং এই যে আমরা ওয়ালপেপার সিলেক্ট করেছি সেটাও উনি আমাদেরকে পিডিএফ ফাইলসে সেন্ড করেছিলেন, অ্যাম্পেল অপশনস ছিল। আমরা এখানে একটু বিউটিফুল এথনিক মোটিভস চেয়েছিলাম, ঠিক সেভাবেই এটা করা হয়েছে। অ্যান্ড দের ইজ দ্য অ্যান্টিক ওয়াল হ্যাঙ্গিং হাইলাইটার ওভার হিয়ার, যেটা আমরা খুব পছন্দ করেছি, আমাদের খুব ভালো লেগেছে। The corner is also beautifully decorated. Here we have got a beautiful lamp, and the side table is also beautiful, which has a globe on it, and we can keep some other showpieces as well. কিন্তু আমরা যেহেতু এখানে occasionally আসি, আমাদের এটা সেকেন্ড হোম as I have already told you, সেই কারণে আমাদের হয়তো এখনো কিছু জিনিস অ্যারেঞ্জ করতে হবে, কিছু রাখতে হবে, এখনো আমাদের কিছু অর্গানাইজ করতে হবে, কিছু বাকি আছে from our point of view. So here we have got a beautiful AC pelmet, which is a curtain pelmet as well. Actually, if the AC was installed as usually we find, then it would not look as beautiful as it is appearing now. Ashishji suggested us to put this in this way so that it is the elegance of the place, the beauty of the place is enhanced, and it is looking so sober and beautiful. The profile light that is there is actually making the color shout out, and it is so beautiful. The curtain is getting the dazzle from the light that it is receiving, and from here we get the beautiful view of the balcony from the 17th floor. So this is one thing which made me to select this particular apartment for as my dream home. And from here we will go to the mandir, the mandir that is there. This is the main and the most important place of the flat, I think, because we cannot think about a house without the place of God, where we can practice divinity, though in a very small way. Yet Ashish ji has designed the mandir in a beautiful way. We have kept Ganapati Bappa over here. We adore him, we pray to him for our well-being and for our happiness and good life. So here everything is done according to utility. Here we have got a tray where we can give the dhoop or the incense sticks, so that if the dust falls, we can collect it properly. No problems in that. And here we have got several drawers where we can keep the prasad and everything. Here we have got two shutters, doors, and here we keep the things which are related to the mandir and the puja. And then we have beautifully designed the wall, the TV cabinet. The TV cabinet is done so beautifully by Ashish ji that we are really happy about it. The cabinet is done in an elaborate way. It may appear that it is perhaps a bit elaborate for the small place, but I will not tell so, because it is accentuating the beauty of the place. It is so beautiful that I can't explain it in words. We are highly impressed. The TV cabinet is perfect, the color coordination and the ample utility drawers that are there. We can keep the variety of things over here, and on the tops we can keep the showpieces, the artifacts, which is enhancing the beauty of the drawing room. And I will come over to this section, which is again elaborately done. Here we are given a provision to keep the artifacts and the beautiful showpieces. Now one thing which came in our mind is that we could have done the TV cabinet till this much, and we could have done the dining table as a folded dining table which would come down on moments of requirement. But that would not do justice to the place, because it would look very plain, and it would not look as gaudy as it is appearing now. So we have decided to do this in this way, and there is no discomfort as of till now. We are using it perfectly because we are only a family of 3, and sometimes when our parents come, then we become a family of 5. So it is not a matter of great difficulty to accommodate the dining table within the drawing room. We are impressed by whatever Ashish ji has suggested us and whatever he has done for us. About the ceiling, we wanted to keep it simple. We didn't want to make it too complicated or too chaotic. So here, as you can see, the rectangular false ceiling, and there is first a rectangular profile light which is given, and the spotlights are there, which is very elegant and beautiful. And there is a beautiful hanging light just on the dining table, which is different, which is not a very common thing. So such unique pieces make our apartment beautiful, I feel. Now we will go to the kitchen, which is an open kitchen. As you can see, there is an elegant paneling done over here, and there is the L-shaped kitchen, as you can see, which has been given by the builder. Actually, we have kept the tiles the same because, as I have told you, this is our second home, so we needn't change too much of it. So we kept the tiles as it was given by the builder, and we have kept the refrigerator over here because it is the most essential thing, the most essential electronic gadgets that we need in a home. But we have kept a small one, a medium-sized one, because we don't stay all along in this apartment. So we have got the beautiful kitchen done by Ashish ji. We selected light colors. We have selected the PVC laminates according to myself and my husband's choice, and Of course, Ashish ji assisted us all along. I remember that day when we went to a particular store and kept on looking over the pages, and we were really confused about clothes colors that made us confused. But Ashish ji is so much technically sound that he gave us the confidence to select. We have done this in two colors. There is a lighter shade in the cabinets that are above and a bit darker shade in the lower cabinets, as you can see. And here we have the drawers, the cutlery drawers, beautifully done, which can be closed, which are closed softly. And here we have the utensil drawers, which can be closed softly. Yes, and we have been given with all the utility cabinets, the utility shutters. Here we have the bottle pull out. So everything was done according to the necessity, and the chimney was also installed by him. Actually, these matters are very much known to my husband, and he and Ashish ji consulted a lot before the kitchen was designed. And here we have got the beautiful cabinets. Since we don't get the opportunity to stay over here for a long time, so there are places in which we have to keep things and organize and arrange properly. But the total outcome of the kitchen has satisfied us. It is very work friendly, we can work over it, it is comfortable, we can work, and it is good for a small family. Everything is utilitarian, everything is done in such a way that we can do it, we can do the work properly in a very easy way. We don't have to bother much.